What's up everybody, it's Matt from TDM Style here. Welcome back to the channel for another hair product review, and this week we're taking a look at the brand new Project X shampoo and conditioner from Brad Mondo's line, XMONDO. So if you remember a while back, I reviewed Brad's first product, Glitterati, which was that smooth and shine serum. If you haven't seen that and you would like to, I'll put that up in the card thingy up there for you. Now, I honestly, for real, love Glitterati. I think it's a great product, so when Brad announced that they were coming out with new stuff, I naturally got excited and was ready to try these out, so let's get right into things. And in case you're wondering, no, this is not a sponsored video. I actually bought this set with my own money. Now, XMONDO did actually end up sending me another set of these after the fact, so thank you, Brad and XMONDO. And by the way, Brad, if you ever want to do a video together or something, let me know. But yeah, so anyway, I purchased these shortly after the drop, and both my wife and I have been using these on the regular for about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks now, so I am ready to dive into these. Let's get started. As far as packaging and pricing, both the shampoo and conditioner come in these 8-ounce or 236 milliliter clear plastic bottles with pop tops, and they are coming in at $25 each. Now for the exterior packaging on these, of course, they arrive in your standard brown shipping box, but then inside that you get one of these white XMONDO boxes, and then I've got a couple pictures of the inside here when I first opened it. You can see the bottles are wrapped in tissue paper with a nice sticker on it. You get a postcard from Brad in there, and it's just surrounded by that kind of crinkle paper for protection, and just the presentation just looks beautiful. Next up is everyone's favorite category of scent. Oh, fuck me up. Oh, it's so good. Yeah, so Brad ended up doing a signature scent. This is the same smell that was on Glitterati, and it's on both of these, and I'm really happy that he did that because that scent is fucking bomb. And in the Glitterati video, I didn't really know how to describe it. It's just kind of a clean, fresh, very just salon type scent, but we have actually notes now. They put it on the website of all the different fragrance notes that go into this. I've got that right here. Let me read that to you. So the XMONDO signature scent, fresh and clean using a blend of Japanese cherry blossom, bergamot, white butterfly jasmine, and sandalwood. I think just for me, anything with sandalwood in it is just ugh. Now, in terms of the ingredients, I'm not going to read the entire list because these are salon quality lab-made products, so the lists are pretty massive. I will have them down below for you. They are also listed on the XMONDO website, but I'll highlight a few of the key ingredients that they highlighted as well. So the three main active ingredients that they're talking about in both the shampoo and the conditioner. First up, we have argan oil, high in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and vitamin E to restore the hair. Apple extracts, more antioxidants to help increase circulation in the scalp, which is great for promoting healthy hair growth. And blueberry extracts, including vitamin C, more antioxidants that can help to protect the hair follicles from damage. And they do also mention in the description of their formulas that these are meant to be a daily use type of shampoo and conditioner that's suitable for all hair types. And obviously, knowing how Brad is, he and I like to color our hair, so I knew that they would be color safe as well, which is always exciting for me. And a few other things that I'll mention about their formulas here. So they are cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, gluten-free, they are vegan, and of course, hairdresser approved. Which would be weird if they weren't hairdresser approved, I suppose, since they're made by a hairdresser. Science. All right, now it's time to crack into these bitches. We'll take a look at the consistency of each one, and then of course I have demo footage for you of how they both work. Looking at the shampoo first, of course, you can see it just has a very silky consistency, and it has a nice kind of glimmery sheen to it. And I'll be honest with you, it looks and feels very just luxurious. This is something that I would expect to see a stylist using on me in a salon. So with that in mind, moving over into the demo footage, we're starting out here with hair that's got a couple of days worth of product buildup in it. Of course, it's got oil buildup, and it's just, basically it's gross. So we're ready for a wash. So we're starting out, of course, with a nice hit of water, and then we're going in with a decent helping of the shampoo. I like to massage that into the scalp because A, it feels really nice, and B, that's gonna help just really break up any products that you might have in there, and it's gonna build up a nice creamy lather. So at this point, we're ready to move into the conditioner. So taking a look at the consistency of that one first, you can see it is quite thick. It's very creamy, but it also feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel oily or greasy at all. So moving back into the demo after having rinsed out that shampoo, now we're going in with a healthy dose of the conditioner, massaging that gently into the scalp. And something that's very, very unique about this conditioner here is that, to me, as you massage it in, the conditioner lathers a bit as well. And I don't think I've ever used another conditioner that has kind of this lathering effect to the point where it feels really satisfying. Like, the best way that I can describe it is it feels like a very creamy shaving foam. You know, like those good old cans of Barbasol where you just like spray a big old heap of it into your hand and it's just that really like thick, creamy, foamy, well, shaving cream. To me, that's similar to what this feels like in the hair, which is really cool. It feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel, you know, heavy in the hair whatsoever. So after letting that sit in there for a couple of minutes, we're gonna go ahead and rinse that out, blow dry that bitch, and look at that. Yes! This is my hair with no other products or anything in it. I didn't use any pre-stylers or anything. This is just shampoo, conditioner, and then blow dry with a round brush. So, I mean, I'm gonna be real here. I think my hair looks pretty glorious. It's lightweight. It has a beautiful natural shine to it. It feels smooth and defrizzed, and it feels hydrated, but it doesn't feel overly hydrated. You know, I've used plenty of conditioners that work really well and make my hair feel very soft, but they're heavy. And so as a result, that just makes my hair feel heavier, you know, after blow drying. So that's one thing that I can say about this kind of unique conditioner is that while it hydrates and moisturizes my hair, it doesn't feel heavy or oily or anything like that. It's really interesting. It's just very, very lightweight. All right, so overall thoughts on the XMONDO Project X shampoo and conditioner. I think Brad killed it again, man. These work great. I like that he called them a daily shampoo and conditioner because I feel like that's a great description. I could use these on the regular without, you know, over drying my hair or over moisturizing it or anything. They're great for removing product buildup and moisturizing the hair without overdoing it in any category. And besides that signature scent, boy, fuck. Yeah, I mean, you know, as I mentioned before, these to me feel luxurious and they feel like something that I would experience, you know, sitting in a chair at a salon and having my hair washed and then coming home and being like, wow, my hair feels fucking great. I like the packaging too, they look nice, and I especially like, you know, the box that they came in with the tissue paper. It's a very premium experience in my opinion. The only thing that's a slight bummer about these is the shipping fee, but that's none of Brad's fault. That's just literally USPS being USPS. And anybody who's ever had to ship anything with any shipping provider knows that shipping prices suck. I just said ship so many times in that sentence. So yeah, Brad, you did it again. Congratulations. I think this is an excellent shampoo and conditioner set, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what you're gonna come up with next. So that wraps things up for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this and found it helpful. As usual, I have a plethora of content on the way for you, so if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button down below to keep up to date with all that. And as always, thank you guys so much for coming by and watching, and we'll see you at the next one.